guys, it's Janelle here with another video after 2 long years. Yay! And today is the first time I'll ever do an unboxing-ish. So we have this letter here from my dear pen pal Jen, or Jenny as she wants to be called. And I sent her a letter first, but I did not make a video about that. I am sorry. I just wanted to wait until I got her letter first to actually do a K-pop pen pal with me. I actually found her on Amino with the K-pop pen pal community. I sent her a letter like 2 weeks ago, and this is her letter back to me. So as you can see here, Jen likes anime. I know this is someone from Sailor Moon, I just don't know which one. And then we have this little sticker right here, and plus a Scooby stamp. Yeah, and we have washi tapes on the back. So we're gonna open this letter on camera, and Jen, if you are watching this, this is my reaction to your letter. So I'm sorry if I'm like very excited, I guess. Okay, anyways, let's go. So this is the letter. Oh, I can kind of see the letter-ish. Okay, we're gonna do it with my trusty dandy small baby scissors because I have small baby hands. Oh god, I'm terrified. I'm terrified. What if I cut something? No, I didn't. Okay. Are you... Oh, and my sister's here, so if you hear her in the back...
Hi.
Yeah, that's her. She wants to be a witness to my testimony of making videos. It's, you know what? I'm sorry, Jen. I'm gonna rip it a little bit. She honestly packed a lot, and same here. I did too. I'm gonna open this off camera. We finally opened it after a century. Alright. Oh my god. Okay. Oh, let's empty out the continent. Oh, okay, so continent. Oh, hey, that's my phone case. I'm gonna open this. Oh, I see a photo. Yeah, that's honestly our phone case. See, look. That's my phone case, and that's my sister. And then this is her stuff. Oh my god. Okay, so this is questions she asked me. I'll review that later. Hey! Okay, this is the playlist. I actually listened to 3 of these songs. I never listened to Monster X or Astro. Pressy listened to Astro. Monster X, I heard one song from them, but that's it. But I like Want and the I don't know how to pronounce it, but I like that song. And Mural, yes, we love Stray Kids. We stand Stray Kids. Okay, what's this? What? Oh, this is her bias list. She likes NCT U, all of NCT, but I also like NCT 127. Ooh, Jaehoon's in 127. I'll look at that later. Damn, what's this? Oh, this is her answers. Oh, thank you, because I forgot what questions I asked her. Thanks. I'll look at that later. Oh, this or that. You answer, send to me, and I'll answer. Oh, okay. Oh, this is the letter. That's the letter. Her signature is so nice. I wish mine was. Mine is shit. So that's the letter. Now we're gonna open this. What? I see a lot, but I want one of these bags. I never had these bags. I have Ziploc bags, because that's how Hawaii is. But these ones are like the ones at Pink Box. So yeah, and we know how much I love Pink Box. We love Pink Box. We love the Pink Box and this fat. Oh, the stickers fell. Damn it. When I tried to make. No. Oh. I have Sailor Moon. Sailor Moon. Who is this green character? I want to know more about it. Totoro. Okay, so I know Sailor Moon and Totoro. I don't know why I grabbed that white one, but I know Sailor Moon and Totoro because I used to have washi tapes about Totoro, but I ran out of them because I kept using them. Then I have these three. I don't know what these characters are called, so if anyone knows what these characters are called, leave them in the comments below because these are cute and I want to know about them. So, oh, I'm gonna flip this. There's another one. Oh, that's so cute. It's a doggo and a cat. Love it. Washi tape samples. Oh, this is the one that she used on the envelope. Nice. I gave her a lot, so. There's more. Oh my god, milk. Oh, that's nice. These have whales. Wow. And then, who is this character? I want to find out. I just saw a photo card. But, hey, look. Peep my phone case. It's JP and Young J. Oh, it's Young J and Mark and more JP's tribute. What is that? We love a meme. Okay. That's everything from Jen. I sat here laughing like I think a good 5 minutes about this picture about JP and wow. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And yes, I am back. So that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you like more content about these types of videos, then please subscribe and like and comment down below if you want more of these videos. And I'll be doing an unboxing for every Penpal letter I get. And that's it for Jen's letter. And Jen, I'll be writing to you soon. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Please like and subscribe. And you are always stronger than you think you are. So